Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be making some roasted asparagus with some olive oil, all-purpose seasoning, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. This recipe is extremely easy to make and it tastes really good. Stay tuned for the recipe. First, you'll want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, rinse the vegetable under some cold water to remove any excess dirt and then pat them dry. You'll want to inspect or search through the asparagus to make sure you don't have any soft or slimy pieces. Those are bad and you'll want to throw those out. Now, this part is extremely important. If you look at the asparagus, the bottom portion of it is lighter in color and harder in texture. You'll want to remove that. You can either snap it off or take a knife, line your asparagus up, and cut those pieces off. Once you remove the ends, go ahead and place your asparagus on a baking sheet. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of olive oil and my all-purpose seasoning. I pretty much use this for everything. I will add a link to the video, but you can also add some salt and pepper, a little garlic powder or onion powder, a little paprika, whatever you like. Toss your asparagus in the olive oil and seasoning. Make sure they're fully coated. Hey everyone, it's Janae from Janai's Kitchen. I just wanted to take a quick break to say if you're enjoying this video so far, please consider subscribing. And to all of my returning viewers, I truly appreciate all of your support along the way. All right, you guys, let's get back to the video. All right, you guys, it's done. Now you can eat it just like this or taste it and see if you need to add any salt or pepper. I'm going to sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese on top. I also like to add lemon sometimes as well. How do you make your asparagus? Comment below. Also, if you like content like this, go ahead and check out my playlist right here. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.